Hey everyone, let's dive into the biggest moves in stocks and crypto for the week of May 19th through the 23rd. This week, I saw three stories dominating headlines: the unstoppable momentum in AI and semiconductor stocks, renewed geopolitical tensions over in the Middle East, and a volatile ride for Bitcoin and the broader crypto space. Let's break it down. Starting with US stocks, the overall market stayed historically strong. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq were still hovering close to their all-time highs, even if some profit takers showed up late in the week. What's really powering this market? It's the AI boom. The big tech names, those magnificent seven, kept churning out strong earnings reports, especially in the semiconductor space. Investors, including myself, were piling into names tied to AI infrastructure, driving these stocks higher. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Geopolitical tensions, particularly with Iran, moved oil prices up again. Higher oil means more inflation worries, and that's got everyone eyeing the Federal Reserve. If oil stays pricey, the path to lower interest rates could get a lot bumpier. Even so, corporate earnings stayed solid, and consumer spending didn't show signs of slowing down. Growth stocks kept their shine, but I also noticed more attention on defense and energy, a classic hedge when volatility creeps in. Now, let's switch gears to crypto. Bitcoin had a tough week, dropping below the $80,000 mark and hitting its lowest level in 3 weeks. Traders clearly got nervous, shifting into defensive mode as ETF outflows and global uncertainty picked up. Ethereum followed suit, sliding toward multi-week lows as risk appetite across altcoins weakened. Some major headlines added fuel to the fire. Trump media pulled their SEC applications for spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, stirring up fresh conversations about institutional adoption. And as always, regulation was a hot topic. I'm watching how US lawmakers shape the rules, since clear guidance could drive or drag the next big move in crypto. So, what's the main takeaway? For stocks, the long-term bullish story is still intact, especially for AI and tech. But with oil and global risks on the rise, I'm seeing more caution and a bit of sector rotation. In crypto, it's all about defense right now. Volatility is up, but the long-term optimism, particularly around institutions, hasn't vanished. If you're watching for the next big move, keep an eye on AI leaders like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Apple, plus energy and defense stocks in case the oil story heats up. And for crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum remain in the spotlight, with ETF-related plays like Solana worth a closer look. That's your weekly market recap. Thanks for tuning in. Drop your thoughts on this roller coaster week in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more market insights.